Hi everyone, thank you guys again for joining me in another video. In today's video, I am going to be planning the week of September 29th through October 5th. So the last week of September, or the last couple of days, and then the first couple of days of October. So this is my planner for this month, or my cover. I really do like this one from last year. I had to pull it out. Thought it was a cute classic one. So I'm just gonna grab my inserts for this week. Move this out of the way, and then I am going to open up to my this week, so that way I can see what I have going on. So the kit that I will be using this week is from HanCanPlan, kit 171, and this is her kit that I went with. Thought it was very cute, like very fallish still for this week. I wanted to do like a Halloween one just because it was like the 1st of October. But then I realized when I was going through my kits that I don't have a lot. I didn't get too many for October, or I misplaced one. I'm not quite sure. So I'm going to set these date dots on here and then I'll come back. Okay, so I feel like I'm missing a page. Nope. It's just like, so I just like to spread these out just so I can kind of see what I have, so I don't forget about something. So the kit that I get for her is usually the I Want It All with the add-on of my ombre box, but I always get her hourly strip one for the Erin Condren, and that's a 7x9, so I think it's a 7x9. And so it doesn't fit my planner, which is a happy classic size, 7x9.25. So I always have to trim just a little bit to make it work for me. So let's see, let's put this down. Do you want to do it up here? And then, so now we'll do the other side. It's looking really cute so far. Let's do the bottom washi. Okay. I still don't know what I got over here, so it looks a little dirty. I think now I am gonna work on my sidebar. So let's see what I want to do. Do the habit trackers like always. I'm gonna do 3 because I need a couple more this week. I think, I'm not quite sure, so I'm just gonna put all 3. That, I don't know if I want to add the thin washi in between, because I'm gonna add a sticker down there over here. I mean, these are for my dinner ideas for this week, and then my to-do list. That one says errands. And now debating which one of these I want to use up here. Kind of liking this coat, but I do like this pumpkin. Or do I go with this one? I think I'll go with that one. Okay. That looks cute. And we'll put on my weekend banner. The last thing to do here is add my ombre boxes to finish up the body of my planners. But debating if I should use these ones or these ones, but I think I might use the plain ones and use those for other things. Liana has her game at 9. I'll just do it at 12, I guess. And this one will be for bills that I gotta do. So, okay. So I think I had one more of this big box right here, and this will go in at 9 for her soccer game, like that. And we'll save this one. So I'm just gonna put in a couple appointments here. Okay, so those are it for that stuff. I have a couple things that I need to mark down. The kids don't have school on Friday, so I'm gonna pull a no school. And we'll use this one like that. So I have some of these old planner Kate styles that say work. And I had a couple of these sheets. I'm going to use these up. I'm going to put work up there. And these are from the Monster Co. I'm going to pull the bigger ones just so I use those up in this sheet. And I like to put them here. I feel like it just adds to my planner that perfect amount of decoration without overdoing it. So then one right here. Like that. And then we'll do this film on Monday. That's what I'm filming. And we'll do an edit. But we'll do a bigger box. And we will do it on Tuesday. So there's a couple videos that I have that I want to make sure I edit and schedule, and I don't know when they're going up yet. And then I am just trying to see about these water intake ones, so I am gonna put these a little lower than into the washi like that. We'll see how well we do with tracking these. I only have one sheet of these, so if I really do like these, I would definitely have to order more. And I think this week, instead of using like the icons that come here, I might be doing my own. So let's start putting some of that stuff down. So the first one that I have right here is Trash Day. I think I'm gonna use this yellowish one. And then it's normal trash day for us, no recycling. Okay, meal plan, I like to use that over here. But this one that says clean, and I will do that on Tuesday. So that way we can get everything out of the house for Wednesday. And I just like to do that, so that way I'm gonna do laundry on Wednesday. I got this cute little one for payday. I love this one for pay bills because you see it has like the little question mark, her calculator, her money, stack of like little bills or something. I always think that's super cute because when I'm budgeting and trying to pay my bills, I'm like, wait, what? How is it this much? Why are we spending all this money? So, okay. So I think now that is everything on this end. And so we got birthdays, don't forget, cleaning, groceries. I don't know when I'm going. Oh, we had a no school, but I already put that. I already did laundry. Okay, so I think that is it for now. Let me see if I can put some of these down. This one for here. And then this one for here. We got Thursday, Friday, weekend. Yeah, I'm gonna grab one of these for church at 11. Just like that. And I'm pretty confident putting these down because I'm like almost certain that I am done planning for the week. Or not planning for the week, but like I won't need to add too much. I've already added the majority of my things that I have going on. So I can add those little decorative now. Okay, so that is how this week turned out, and it looks super cute. I am loving it. I'm set for the week, which is good because I hate not being set up for the week, but that's how this is looking. Super cute in my planner. I'm loving it now. I like that I'm set for the week. I'm more excited about that. So yeah, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell button so you guys get notified every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.